If you're over 50 and your skin feels dull, tired, lax, and just doesn't look great, I totally get it. I have been there and I have helped thousands of women go through this same thing. If you want that glowing skin that you're dying for, there are some mistakes you have to stop making. I see you guys out there. I see you buying the expensive treatments, the expensive serums, doing the skin flooding, layering everything on, and it still isn't working. The truth is, your skin after 50 isn't misbehaving, it's changing, and what you're using needs to change too. The key to glowing, gorgeous skin over 50 is not more products or more treatments. It's the right products that protect and heal your skin barrier. So let's jump into the 5 biggest mistakes. Mistake number 1, you cannot over-exfoliate your skin, especially if you're over even 30, but over 50, stop doing it. And let's talk about why you don't want to over-exfoliate. First and foremost, it's super drying to the skin. It will take all of the oils that you may have on your skin and it will pull them all out. Next on the hit list of why you don't want to over-exfoliate is that it thins the skin. I've been saying this for years, but nobody wants to listen. You cannot over-peel, you cannot over-laser. Stop over-exfoliating with those silly beads. It's not good for the skin. And your skin, it's tight, it's irritated. You have stripped everything off when you over-exfoliate. So when you're doing all this over-exfoliation, you're not allowing the skin to really repair itself and heal overnight. And that's what you need to glow over 50. Mistake number 2 is using harsh actives every day. And by that, of course, you guys know I'm definitely talking about your retinol, retinol, your complete ability to overuse it and make it so that your skin becomes raw because the actives are too aggressive. You can do the same with glycolic, you can do it with lactic acid, you can do it with anything that is overdone to the skin. But by doing this and being too aggressive, the only thing you're doing is hurting the barrier of the skin. And again, you are thinning the skin. You don't want to do that if we're over 50. Mistake number 3 is skipping putting nutrients and things that your skin needs to actually glow back in the skin. So I will see you out there and you'll go, oh, I got a great cleanser and I got a moisturizer, I'm good. And I'm like, what kind of cleanser? Number 1, I always start with that. And then number 2 is what's in the moisturizer that's actually going to regenerate the skin. So you might want to know what the skin feels like when it receives the active ingredients that are nutrients. Well, it really helps the skin feel plumper. It helps the skin feel like a lot more elasticity. It also helps the skin feel so much softer. And when you don't do that, you also see dryness and dullness, and you see skin that doesn't look like glowy or happy. Mistake number 4 is easy to make because for a lot of us, and I know I did it, I started in my 30s and I was put into full-blown menopause. And when that happened, I just pretended like, oh, my skin's just fine. I learned very quickly that when you have menopausal changes or you have hormone changes in the skin, you need to pay attention because this is when your skin starts changing, your body starts changing, and you have the ability then at that point to actually make your skin better. And instead of waiting until it's all the way like not so happy and then doing something about it, it's better to do something about it now as you're going through those hormone changes. And there are things that can help you during this process of hormone changes. There are peptides, there are ceramides, there are lipids of all kinds, hyaluronic. All these different ingredients really help the cells plump. They also feed the cells information to make them be either less wrinkles or less fine lines, or also even pigmentation you see lessening. So you have the ability to go and be proactive with your skin instead of waiting for it to fail. Mistake number 5 is believing in the luxury myths out there. And by that, I mean, you think that a cream that is going to be $300 actually has active ingredients in it. And I'm here to tell you how the cream is made, whether or not it has a delivery system that allows the ingredients, the active ingredients, to actually go into the skin. Those are the things that make a difference. And luxury doesn't always equate to clinical and pharmaceutical results for products to make the products actually work. Things that you need to look out for, especially in your luxury skincare that you might be buying. Number 1 is fragrance. Fragrances are endocrine disruptors, and you definitely don't want them in your skincare. Second is a dye. A dye, again, is an endocrine disruptor. It also, both fragrances and dyes have chemicals in them that make it so that your skin doesn't necessarily absorb all of the active ingredients. They are also preventing the detoxification of the skin. So it's important to get a very clean ingredient list and make sure that the toxins in the luxury skincare are not harming your skin. So you're over 50 and now is your time to glow. And I'm telling you, you still got it. You can still glow and you still have the ability. It's never too late to actually change your skin. It's just about taking care of you and making sure that, number 1, you're looking in the mirror and you're going, I'm my best self. And not only that, you're taking care of you. With my spa in Delray Beach, Florida, and also with my skincare brand, Skin Diva Labs, I really have dedicated my career to making sure that women just like you understand what kind of skincare they should use, also educating you on what works and what doesn't work, and how to know whether or not it's good for you or not. I'd love to have a chat with you divas. Let me know which mistake is the one that surprised you the most, and we'll carry on the conversation. If you want a few tips on how to keep your glow, download my ebook. The link is down in the video description, and it's 5 easy ways to glow. And if you really love this video, be sure to subscribe, because I create videos just like this for women over 50 so that we can carry on the conversation and we can keep glowing and going.